Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to search ID in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically to find a user ID, you will have only two options to use. So either you can use a finder or you can use the GitHub API. So simply we can the GitHub API by finding or by going to the URL, and from there we can start using or creating some HTTP requests. And to do that, you will be needing just to use this URL or this endpoint, and the endpoint is as follow. You will need just to use the domain name, which is api.github.com. Then you will need just to go to users and then the name of the user. So from here we can choose any user and it will be probably existent. And as you can see, this is the login, which is the username. And then we will find the ID of this user. And of course, those are some other things like the name, site admin, etc. etc. And in my case, let's just use my username. And from here, I'm just going to use this one. And from here, you will find my ID. Another way to do it is by just using a GitHub user ID. GitHub user finder or whatever. And I'm just going to use a service. And you can choose, uh, let's use ID finder. And from here we can choose these GitHub pages, and this is just a person or a site that use the GitHub API, and it's more easier and convenient to use. So from here I'm just going to use my username again, and let's just click on find ID, and from here you will see that you are able to find ID, and they are similar, so they end with 66 and 70, and it is the same ID. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.